Today is day 11 of saying Mr. Beast's name once for every 1 subscriber I get until he puts me in a challenge. Today we have 116 subscribers, so I'll be saying his name 116 times. Let's go. Mr. Beast, 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 Mr. Mr. Beast, 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 Mr. Beast. Almost for day 12, man. Let's go.